Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. If you're new here, hi, nice to meet you. Today in the video that we're gonna do, I'm going to do a little organizing my closet because it looks really bad. I mean, it's horrible. So if you like to see what I do to get organized, if you need some tips, because I got some tips, and you just like watching cleaning videos, organizing videos, then just keep watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like the video, and go check out my other videos. Let's get started. So I'm going to show you guys what, oh my gosh, so I'm going to show you guys what the closet looks like. Got a monitor that my husband bought that he's not using because he bought another one. This right here section, I bought this little compartment situation thing, I don't know, from I think like Walmart or something, or like Dollar Tree, I'm not too sure. This is where we put like the graphic t-shirts at. Put his hats up there, his jeans are here. These right here are little shower hooks that I got from Ikea. That's what, it's a shower hook too. I keep his belts there. I have this stuff is like our winter stuff when we need to go, like, you know, in the snow and the mountains and stuff. Everything's there. That, I have no idea what that is. I don't know what's going on there. These are all of my tops and things like that. My jeans, my shorts, my bathing suits are over there. And I put all my jeans and any tops that are like this, you know, the vibe. You know, the vibe. I put them on those. I also put my bathing suits on these as well. These are some shoes, like some little hill situations, and they're like all over the place. And then this is the shoe situation rack. I don't really even know what's going on. I got my boots up there, my rain boots, luggage. Like, look, those shorts are just hanging out over there. I don't know what's going on. And then some bags up there. These are little containers that I got, I think at Walmart as well. And I put like the sweaters and hoodies in there. These are my husband's shirts, like his work shirt situation. So I don't really know how I'm gonna do it. I need to, like, his boots are up there too. I need to, like, for one, I want to start by getting everything out of here so I can have like a fresh, clean, like, slate. And then get rid of all this stuff, like, as I'm pulling it out, get rid of the stuff that I know that I'm not gonna wear or I'm not gonna use. Like, look, even the sandals are like under there. Can y'all see those? Let me zoom in. They're just like hanging out under there. Look, there's a shirt there. And then I was looking right here, and there's like just random like tops and stuff. Like, I don't know what's going on here. Look at this. I think maybe one day I was just over it and I'm like, okay, I'm done. Dang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got rid of 10 jeans. Look at me already. Alright, the shorts. We're gonna keep the shorts because your girl likes to go to Mexico. And I need a lot of shorts. See, I would never wear these Daisy Dukes like here around town. But in Mexico, yeah, we can do that. Okay. I was feeling really down today, like really depressed. That always happens, like if I've been at home for too long, like by myself, or like if the kids have been with me or my husband's been with me, like for a while, and then they go back or whatever, because sometimes, you know, my husband will work from home, and like, or like say it's the weekend and he's with me the weekend, and then after that he, you know, maybe he works from home on Monday or something like that, and we're together, and then the kids are here, and then when he goes back, I don't know why I always get like really like sad and like depressed, and I feel down, and I don't want to do anything like at all. And so that's how I was feeling. I was laying down and I was like feeling bad, and then I don't know why, but every time I feel bad, I always like start a fight with my husband. I don't know why I'm like that, but like little things will like get to me, I guess. And I'm getting rid of these shorts. Little things will like get to me or something. I'll think about something he said or like whatever, like, and I'll like pick a fight over it. And that's exactly like what I did this morning. I was like, I can't believe you said blah 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 or whatever, you know, and then he's like, what? Where's this coming from? And like, even though maybe what he said bothered me or whatever, like it wasn't that serious, like for me to start a fight over it. And so like right now we're fighting. Not fighting, but he was like, I'll just talk to you later, and I'm like, don't talk to me later, I'm mad. Okay, so this is the part I'm excited about because I feel like I haven't gotten rid of stuff in a long time. This one, I don't know, but I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I don't know, like it's kind of old looking and stuff, but I wore this dress to my sister's funeral, and it was like in the closet for so long, like the tags were on it, and it was literally in the closet for 2 years, but I was like, I don't know where I'm gonna wear this to. And then I wore it to my sister's funeral, and then I wore it to my grandma's funeral. Kind of morbid, right, to think like that, but I think I'm gonna keep it. Okay, I don't know when the video stopped recording because after like so many minutes it stops recording. So this is where I'm at so far. Here's the update. I haven't touched any of that. But look, I had to stop and take a lunch break. So this is the shirts, the pants, and the shorts. I'm just gonna scoot everything more together. And then this is the stuff I'm getting rid of. Look at all those hangers. Alright, so I'll be back with the update. Look at it. Look at it, look at it. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, it's gonna look so good and fresh. Look at it, it just looks so bad right now. I feel like I'm almost there, but I'm not. I'm so tired. Those I'm saving for my sister. These 2 bags are bags I got in Mexico when we went for our honeymoon. So these, yes, hold a very special place in my heart. Alright, I have to go to the mall to pick up a necklace that we bought for Nick's birthday. So, okay, so I'm done with the closet. So I'm going to give y'all a little look-see around and show y'all what I'm working with. Okay, so we left this monitor right here. His sweats are dirty, the other sweats, so that's why that space is empty. But these are my shirts, his t-shirts, his hat. Hats I kept in the same place. His jeans and his shorts. These are his shirts. My clothes. And I have this little section now. My jeans. These are where the hoodies go and like the sweaters. I need to refold that. That doesn't look good, but I have to leave, so. His boots up there, my boots, my rain boots. I put my bags down here because they used to be up there, but I was always having to ask for help to get all this stuff down. So I was like, I'm gonna leave it down here so I can just get it when I need it, so to have better access. Because like my boots, like my cowboy boots and my rain boots, like I don't wear those on a regular basis and this stuff. So I got rid of a lot of shoes. I think I got rid of like I think it was like 15 pairs of shoes. So I have these 3 now. I have the Vans, the Adidas ones, those Adidas ones, those Yeezy ones, and then these little stinkers, these white ones. So that's all I have now. And then these are like, I don't even know if I'm going to wear those anymore, like these wedge situation, I don't know. And then these are just classic, like the basic heels, like a professional. I have them in tan, white, and black. And then those heels right there. And then these boots, I'm saving those for my sister because I think she might want those because I got those, but they're too big. I threw away every single sandal that I own, but I kept these because these are like really comfortable. And I just got them, I think the last time we went to, where did we go? Florida. But they're really comfortable and cool for like when you're somewhere where you need the sandals and the vibes, you know. I need to be comfortable. So I'm smacking my gum. My shorts are here. I'm gonna remove these and probably scoot the shorts over this way and then the bathing suits like over this way. I might leave the bathing suits there. I don't know. But my bathing suits are there. Down here I put the boots, like the booties. I got these. I don't know why I got these, but I was like, maybe one night I want to get funky. Kind of crazy looking, but my battery's about to die. And just these boots, the heel boots, those boots. So that's it. That is the tour, and my battery's about to die. It's blinking. It's like, girl, you've been using me all day. Give me a break. So here you go. There's one last look. Look how clean it looks now. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.